Nice deep breath.
You're not your own keeping.
Sipping this lean, I'm living carefree, da da da. LSD for me and you, keep up please. You can't judge nobody, so don't judge me. I just like smoking that weed, I just like smoking that weed. Smoking, drinking, booling, linking, facing these J's, I can't complain, my life is insane. I just wanna party and have some fun. I just wanna party and do some drugs, yeah.
Hey guys, it's Yellowkushh back on the... I'm awkward when I do this in front of people, but I'm here with my friend Riley. And today we're going to the mall. I'm just gonna vlog because I know y'all want some content of like me vlogging or whatever. So we out here like just getting it on, and I'm gonna vlog when we're doing something because bitch, I'm awkward, okay? So yeah, bye. I'm good, how are you? Y'all, so we just walked up a little escalator or whatever, but we're finna get some food. I forgot to vlog, but we made a few good purchases, period, because you know we got money like that. I'm just playing. But we finna eat. She's gonna get a tattoo today, so we're gonna vlog that, and I'm gonna get a piercing. I think I might get my septum pierced today, unless I decide to do something different. Whenever we first get there and walking up those stairs, I'm so out of breath. So she's getting Shero, the Italian eatery. Y'all, this is a fit. My shoe game is lacking. But yeah, I'll vlog whenever we're at my spot to eat because I don't want to eat here and I don't know where I want to eat yet. Yeah, I actually decided to eat here because something caught my eye, some stromboli and some ziti. I accidentally called it zucchini to him. He was like, what'd you call it? So y'all, we're in the middle of a food court. Ooh, okay, we can pose with the food or whatever and make it like thumbnail.
How? Like put it up in it?
You can just lift. Well, I'm just gonna lift my bag.
Oh my god, my nipple's hard.
How cringy of me. Okay, I'm ready to fucking dig in. This
We
shit
got
looks
Esbaro.
so
Everybody, Esbaro.
oh my gosh, I was like Escobar. Like that's what I was saying in my vlog earlier. Esbaro. Oh my gosh, y'all, this looks so good. I made them put extra tomato sauce. Wow, this just looks amazing. Astounding, if you will. Y'all see the steam coming off my food. That's how I fucking like it. This shit, it was already burnt and they threw it back in the oven. I was like,
I know, my shit is hot as fuck.
So tell them about yourself.
My name's Riley. I live in Georgia.
For real?
That's all y'all need to know.
She's 18.
I'm 18. Yeah.
And she's not fake.
And stop commenting. Exactly, stop commenting now. I'm finna be fake, because I'm not fucking fake.
Because y'all haven't even met her for real.
Exactly.
Well, really, y'all haven't met them at all. I mean,
No.
she hasn't, they have, let me shut up, because
Y'all ain't even gonna meet me, because y'all ain't ever gonna, you know,
right,
see
get
me
the
out.
chance.
Exactly. You're not gonna get the privilege.
right, no privilege guaranteed here. But, yeah, I met her. It's crazy how we met. I mean, we met off Instagram. But the first time we hung out was a last minute thing. I didn't have anywhere to stay. And Riley stepped up to the plate. And from day one, I knew she was a real bitch.
Period. We hung out, we went to the pool.
And I was not, like, I'm an awkward ass person, period. So, like, when I first met her and her group of friends, I wasn't even awkward. In my opinion, I wasn't awkward, but
No, you weren't.
period.
These breadsticks are disgusting.
Nom, 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 nom.
Okay, but I'll be back during our next part of fun. I keep looking at the people in the background through my phone. So y'all, I'm finna go get my septum pierced. I'm so nervous. I'm really nervous. Like, I don't know why. crop that out. But y'all, I'm so excited because I've been wanting a septum piercing. Oh my gosh, my boyfriend doesn't even know, and he's been telling me not to, but I don't give a fuck. It doesn't run here like that. If I want something and I have the money for it, guess what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna get it, okay?
Period.
That's just on period poo. But I don't even know where we're at. What?
We're in Douglasville.
We're in Douglasville. So y'all, I think we're here. I think. Not completely sure. We have to find, what is it called? Allen?
Like Allen's piercing shop.
Yeah. So if y'all want to get some piercings, well shit, I'll let y'all know if this is a good place. There's a tattoo thing. Maybe.
Well, this is where it said Allen's piercing shop. Body piercing. Maybe that's the tattoo. Maybe it's in the tattoo place?
Maybe. So y'all, we're in the tattoo shop or whatever, and bitch, I'm nervous. I won't even lie to you. I'm scared. But they're setting up right now, and she's getting. Tell them what you're getting.
I'm getting a dragon on my arm.
To cover up. Hold up. Show 'em.
To cover this up.
Cover that little bad guy up. But it's gonna be cute. We're gonna be here for a couple hours. No kizzy. But before they start on your piercing.
Okay, on a scale of 1 to 10, the clamp is probably
The worst part.
6.
6.
Because the inside of your nose is like this mucous membrane. It's the same.
I'm glad you know that, so you won't be disgusted by anything. I'm just
It's the same tissue that's in your mouth or your vagina. It's that type of tissue. It's sensitive. So when I put a clamp on, I don't lock it down. I'm very careful with it. The main thing is that I find your sweet spot. You know what that is?
the spot pierce.
I know this bitch on.
Put your fingers up there, all the way up. Squeeze and pull down. Feel that space?
Yeah.
That's where it goes.
Okay.
If it goes through there, nothing.
Okay.
And there's no after pain.
Okay.
Now, with my experience, when I put the clamp up there, I can't go real quick because it'll hit this side of your nose. If I feel that I might hit it, nipples have gone crazy.
Not me, not coming here.
You never know, but what I'm saying is it's just out of nowhere. All of a sudden, after 3 years, it's like.
Yeah, it's just social media and stuff.
Well, I think it's some actress or some certain group of people that started doing it again, and now it's just like
Popular again.
wow.
TikTok.
Trends.
Yep.
Just come close.
Here, I'll just kind of be like right
Since
here.
my piercing will be here, you could hold or hand or no, you could film from there.
Krislyn's a YouTuber.
Put me all over it.
Yep. Shout you out. Shout your stuff out.
Don't forget my name.
Alan?
You're supposed to say it.
Yeah,
Are
you're
you
supposed to
Alan?
say.
I am Alan.
You are?
Yeah.
This is Alan's shop, y'all. I'm being pierced by the Alan.
It's true. 25 years, no, 26 years there.
Period.
Nice. Period,
And
Alan.
previous to that, I cut hair for 26 years.
What do you
25
like
years.
that? Which one do you like more? I bet. It's different every day.
You can't afford to throw these away, but they are completely sterile. That's not a worry. If you see I use a rubber band, I don't lock them down. But it'll still.
That's how my last piercing did it too.
Yeah, that's the best way. Alright, here we go. Get up in there. Just relax. I'm just going to let that go for a second. I'm going to grab it. We got a perfect septum as far as being straight. That's a good thing. All right.
This hurts.
It hurts.
Is
Oh.
this the worst part?
It's yeah. If I pierce, gets you right off the bat, the sweet spot. This is the worst part because it's irritating. But I will stop if I feel I'm up there. So just let me line this up. All right. Right there. Nice deep breath and let it out slow. Right through. We got it. First time. Set out. That's it.
Why I look like a bull? Why I look like a bull?
How easy was it?
That was pretty easy. The piercing part didn't hurt.
No. If I hit your cartilage, you would have.
At least you didn't.
We're going to slide this in. If it doesn't make it the first twist, I'm going to adjust it. Oh, we got it. You're done.
Period.
I want the back of your neck right here, sweetie.
Okay. Let me kick my feet up.
Yeah.
Comfortable.
Let me get you a paper towel because I know your eyes are tearing.
Oh, Krislyn. You're crying.
All right, I'm going to clamp it off. Let that go so I can tighten up that bead.
Are you good?
Yeah.
Alright.
Oh, yeah, she doesn't feel anything now. You didn't tear up at all. That's unusual. Usually
It's
people,
running out the side of my
yeah, a little bit, but usually people, I mean, they tear up big time. Take this off. And straighten it out. And to add to your beauty, you got a perfect piercing.
Period. Show 'em. Oh, it's cute.
See it? Oh my gosh.
I like
I wanted
that.
this for
It looks
so
really good.
long. Yep.
Alan.
Get it, Allen's tattoo parlor or piercing parlor.
Douglas Boulevard next to Tops.
Yep.
Period.
Tell them. So y'all, this is my piercing. It's cute. I love it. It's $65. I mean, it was $50, but then I bought some of this cleaning spray that he already sprayed one spray out of. He said, "Let's see if this works." Blank, blank. That's a whole spray that's not going on my nose. I'm so annoying, but yeah. I look like a little bull or whatever. And what? Okay, y'all, I'm back. Yes, I do it all on my phone. I met Nino in the, yep, the one and only. I met him in this little tattoo parlor, Allen's tattoo parlor. Dang, you could have told me my lash was coming up like a motherfucker. I just re-glued them on. So embarrassing. And I'm finna re-go. I did. That was the first thing. There we go. Yeah, I'm gonna fly off like a little bird. Y'all, so that's all I recorded. I just woke up and my eyes are like bloodshot for no reason and I keep diarrheaing. Not that y'all needed to know that, but I'm letting y'all know what I'm going through right now. I don't know. Maybe that food gave me food poisoning or something. But I hope y'all enjoyed this vlog. Oh wait, before I go, hold on, let me give y'all a little haul of what I got. So I got some scrunchies. I have one in my hair, but they're like the soft velvet scrunchies, and I got it from Hot Topic. Everything in the mall is overpriced, so like I'll definitely be doing my shopping on, okay, does that want to stay? Okay, I'll definitely be doing my shopping online on Shein from here on out. But y'all, I got 5 pairs of underwear from Victoria's Secret for $15. Y'all want to know how I did what I did? Well, maybe one day I'll tell y'all. But these are one of the pairs. I love them. I like the little thing going on. Then I got these. I really like these. They look good on my skin tone. Y'all already know I fucked around and got a yellow pair. Even though I have a couple, but I also got these motherfuckers, and then I got these cute pink ones. But I really don't know how these finna fit, because that looks so long. But we'll see. But yeah, I got those for $15. A bargain, if you will. But yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this vlog. I'm getting active. Like, this is gonna be my 3rd video. Consistent. Bitch, what? But I love you guys. If y'all haven't checked out my last videos, go ahead and do that. Like, comment, and subscribe. Go follow my social media while you at it, baby. Because y'all really don't correlate. Y'all don't go from YouTube to Instagram like I thought y'all would fuck with me like that, but I guess not. So let me just remind y'all. Y'all can always do that. This is cute. Okay, but yeah, I love y'all.